guys. Welcome to the day that we get to play finally. Okay, so hopefully you've been working on your mouthpiece placement with your embouchure, making sure you're going M. Okay, anytime you breathe in, you're going to breathe in through your nose. You're going to keep your shoulders really relaxed. Now, here's something else you have to really think about. Breathing for band is different than breathing just to live. Okay? You need to take in a lot of air to play an instrument, but the main thing that kids kind of do sometimes whenever they breathe in is they'll raise their chest a lot. Something we need to practice a little bit first is breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth without our shoulders moving a whole lot. So watch. Okay, so anytime that you're doing this, you're going to keep yourself really relaxed. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to place my mouthpiece, M. Okay, I'm going to breathe in through my nose. I'm going to blow my air out through my mouth. One more time. This time I'm going to move the air faster, like it's a tornado. But I'm still going to keep my body really calm and my shoulders really calm. Watch what happens as I speed up my air. I'm going to do it again. Okay, now my goal is to make a sound that it doesn't change. Because you hear how I was kind of going like, ooh, ooh. Okay, it shouldn't be doing that. It should stay really, really steady. So I'm going to sit up really straight and tall. I'm going to play 4 pitches or 4 notes in a row that are exactly the same and don't change. My shoulders are going to be still. I'm sitting like a statue. I'm breathing in through my nose and I'm blowing out through my mouth. Here I go. Here's the first one. Okay, now you're going to have to practice this a whole lot in front of your mirror to make sure your face isn't moving. Kids do that sometimes to make sure your shoulders aren't moving. It'll explode at the beginning. That's wrong. Sometimes it'll be like a pitch and then it'll fade away like it's sad. We don't want any sad pitches, okay? Breathing in through your nose, shoulders are still, face is a statue, steady pitch. Now, if this is kind of tricky for you, if it still sounds like this, you have to think, blow, 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 and move your air really, 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 really fast, like you're trying to like knock over a wall or blow down the straw houses from the 3 pigs. Okay, just make sure that every time you're doing it, you're looking in a mirror, you're very still, your body's not moving, your teeth are not clamped shut. Okay, there's no tension, everything's really calm. You're going to do an assignment where you have to send me 4 steady notes in a row. Good luck.